Tired of rebuilding your stunning Figma designs from scratch in Webflow? This video will show you how to bridge the gap between design and development using the Figma to Webflow plugin, saving you tons of time and headaches. First, make sure you have both Figma and Webflow accounts. In Figma, go to the Plugins menu, search for the Figma to Webflow plugin, and install it. It's totally free. Now, select the frame or section of your Figma design that you want to import into Webflow. Open the Figma to Webflow plugin and connect it to your Webflow account. You'll need to authorize the plugin to access your Webflow projects. Next, select the Webflow project you want to import your design into. Choose how you want to import the design as a new page, a component, or a section. Think about how you want to structure your website. Click Import to Webflow and let the plugin work its magic. This might take a few seconds, depending on the complexity of your design. Head over to Webflow and voila! Your Figma design is now in Webflow. You might need to make some minor adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect. Remember to optimize your design for responsiveness and add any necessary Webflow interactions. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Figma design into Webflow. Now go build something amazing.